Want to build a targeted prospect list with Apollo.io, but not sure where to start? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create your ideal prospect list using Apollo.io, an incredible tool that makes it simple to identify and connect with your next best customers. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing a special bonus for you to use Apollo.io for free, and I'll show you how to make the most of this powerful platform. Now, Apollo.io is a comprehensive sales intelligence platform that gives you access to a massive database of contacts and companies, helping you find the right people and companies to target. The first thing you need to do is sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll start building your targeted prospect list. Start by clicking on the Prospects tab. This will take you to the search filters, where you can define exactly who you want to reach. Apollo.io offers a wide range of filters that help you hone in on your ideal audience. For example, you can filter by job title, location, company size, industry, and much more. Think about your ideal customer. What are their characteristics? Apollo.io lets you build a list based on these criteria, giving you an efficient way to find exactly the people you need. Next, if you're looking for decision makers or specific roles, use the job title filter. This is where Apollo.io really shines, allowing you to select precise titles like CEO, marketing manager, or sales director, depending on your target market. You can also narrow it down further by company size, whether you're targeting small startups or large enterprises. The more specific your filters, the more targeted your list will be, saving you time and ensuring you're reaching out to the right people. Once you've applied your filters, you'll see a list of prospects that match your criteria. But don't stop there. Apollo.io allows you to view detailed profiles, including email addresses, phone numbers, social media links, and even company information. This makes it easy to tailor your outreach to each prospect and maximize your chances of conversion. What makes Apollo.io even more valuable is the ability to save and export your lists. Once you've built your targeted prospect list, you can download it in CSV format or integrate it directly with your CRM to start automating your outreach. This streamlines the entire process, saving you hours of manual work. But here's a tip: don't just go for quantity. Focus on quality. Apollo.io gives you all the tools to find highly specific leads, but the real key to success is personalizing your outreach. Take the time to look through profiles, understand what the prospect's company does, and customize your approach. The more relevant and personalized your message is, the better the response rate. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. How much is this going to cost me? Well, Apollo.io offers a free plan that gives you access to basic features. But to really unlock the full power of this tool, there's an extended trial available through the link below. This will give you access to premium features, and you'll get the chance to dive deep into the platform and start building your list like a pro. So, in summary, building a targeted prospect list on Apollo.io is straightforward. Sign up, define your target audience with filters, explore detailed profiles, save and export your list, and personalize your outreach. By focusing on quality leads and leveraging Apollo.io's powerful tools, you'll be able to generate high-converting prospects in no time. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to click the first link in the description to claim your extended free trial. Start building your perfect prospect list today and take your outreach to the next level.